Okay, this is breakdancing stir. I was trying to balance it and I couldn't figure out why it was hopping up, so I set up a strobe. Let's see. As I turn on the electric stir and get it spinning, you'll see it behaves totally normally. It's a little off balance, but it balances. But if you go a little faster, you'll see that it hops up. There. And I wanted to know what was going on. So if we turn on the strobe light, we'll just randomly pick 20, let's say maybe a 28 millisecond period. See what that looks like. Oh, it's pretty much the same. I've been doing this with my ears, so I'll slow it down a little so everything syncs up. Oh, I guess I had to speed it up. Okay, there we go. And now we can see what's going on. The heavier end, that's about to be the closer end to us, the end that's the flat end, is the end that was on the printing bed. So the magnet inside is ever so slightly not perfect in the middle. And as a result, we have our breakdancing stir. I can play with the speed and make him go either way. Although, realistically, he's spinning clockwise all the time. Even now, he's spinning clockwise because we're playing with frame rates and, yeah. But you can even see the tiny details on his centerpiece. You can see them spinning, so he's definitely spinning really well. But yeah, he's off balance. And then if I turn the strobe off, or let's just make it even a little faster, you'll see the effect is gone. Bring it down around the same number. I'll make it only a smidgen faster, and you'll see it goes away as well. If I turn the strobe off, that's what it normally looks like.